Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the show checkout banner. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So basically I'm gonna add a cart banner on the cart page so you can customize it accordingly. My main motive is to basically how to customize the cart page, right? So here you can see that if I go to the cart page, right, so there is nothing, so I'm gonna shop and I'm gonna add one of the product, and let's go to the cart. So here I have added the checkout. Okay, sorry, basically here currently it's off, right? The settings is off. Here you can see if I enable, here you can see that the link and the banner image, right? If I just save this and go back here, it automatically populated over here and the link is there. So this kind of customization if you want, so this tutorial is best for you. So let's get started. So here you can see that we are going to create a simple Odoo website e-commerce module where the admin uploads one of the banner image in the backend and image appears on the cart page, right? So this is my module name. So this is the basically the structure, model, website configuration, then view. We have the configuration settings for the backend, then front end. Then these are the test cases. This is static description. You can skip. Okay. So here you can see that the so first one, that is manifest.py. So this file tells the Odoo module name, dependency, author, and which XML files to load. So if I go over here, so here you can see that we have the manifest file. Okay, so if I open with my editor, so here you can see that, so this is the file basically tells the Odoo the author, the website, the support, the license, and the data dependencies, and the depends on website seal module. Okay, so these are the views that we are gonna using it, right? Okay, so this is done. If I go over here, so this is the full-fledged code that we have already shown. Right. The next we have to import the Python modules in the init.py. If I go and just check this file, so here you can see that we have to import the models. Okay. So the next file, the purpose, import the models folder, then Odoo loads the module. Next, okay, by the help of this. Now the next file is models init.py. Purpose, import each model Python file. Okay, so this is that one code. Now we are going to add the banner fields on the website. So we have models, then website.py. So store the banner configuration on the website record. This is the good because each website can have the different card banner. Okay, so this is basically the code for that one. So let's check the model section. So here we have a models. First of all, let's go with the init. Okay, configuration and this one. Then we have settings. So these are the fields: banner enabled, then alt, then banner link. Then for the website, the same. Okay, but here you can see that enabled, then the max width and everything goes over there, right? The next part, okay, static, no need to touch. Stay test, no need to touch. Then we have the views, the important. Okay, so in the views folder, we have two files, that is configuration for the backend website, that where we are showing the banner with the link that goes over there, right? So here you can see that we have configuration settings, we have block checkout banner. So if I go to the admin, here you can see that we have a checkout banner, and then we have the show checkout banner, help to upload one image. So these are the text, and then we have the field, here you can see that, then placeholder, then the link. Okay, so this is for the backend section, right? The next we have the website XML where we have to show this banner image with the link. So this is the anchor tag. Now we have the image. Okay, so this is how we are going to populate that one. Okay, so this is how you are able to customize the cart page, or you can add the banner to the cart page. Easy? Any doubt, any query? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.